Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. Today is the giveaway drawing for the mini album mashup album 1 for the background design release, and my power keeps going off today, so I'm gonna, if I sound like I'm talking fast, that's why, because it keeps going off. But all you had to do to enter was to leave a comment below the last giveaway video, which was in March, and you had to be a subscriber to my channel. So this is the album that we just finished making, and it turned out really, really, really pretty. I have a playlist, and I'll put it here for you guys if you want to start at the beginning and work your way through. So we made this one last. We just finished it up, and I'm actually currently working on getting all the prep work done for the next album that we're going to be making with this mini album mashup. There'll be one more giveaway drawing for this set of templates. And what I need from you guys is I need you to pick 3 background designs and leave me a comment down below. Pick 3 that aren't already in the mini album mashup, and that are also my background designs. So pick 3 that you would like to see this in, and in May I will do another drawing and release 3 more background designs in this set of templates. And there'll be 3 winners then. There's 3 winners today. There was 3 winners last month, 3 winners today. There'll be 3 winners then. And you get all 3 of the background set of templates. So I have a couple of things. Oh, okay, I have, I got a new phone, so my phone isn't cracked and broken anymore. And I have already pulled in the URL to the video that you had to leave a comment for this particular background design. Oh no, I've already pulled it in, but let me show you which ones they are, even though you may know already. The background designs that are being released today are the light wood, the vintage polka dot, and the scripty check. Those are the 3 that are being released today. So I have 3 empty spots for 3 more background designs to be put on this set of templates. So the 3 winners that I draw today will get all 3 of those background design set of templates. So what I'll do is, I've already pulled in the video URL, I've grabbed the comments, I'm gonna hit start, and hopefully my phone's not too dirty from my fingers. And we will see who is the first winner. I'll have to get the name and then go check to make sure you're a subscriber. Okay, I have checked, and congratulations to @RowanA1976. What does it say? Congrats to the winners. I vote for Grungy Wood, Roses, and Coffee Stain. Oh, so those are your... Jeez. Honestly, sometimes my brain... Those are your votes for the 3 that you want to see additionally. Well, anyways, congratulations. There is a email down below, and it is just for winners, so you need to contact me via that email. You have 7 days, 1 full week, to claim your winnings from today's date, which is April 2nd. So you have until April 9th to contact me to get the ball rolling to receive your goodies. Okay, I am going to pick another winner. That's how I break my phone, you guys. Alright, I'm going to hit start. Alright, I have checked, and you are a subscriber, and gotta let my phone kind of focus for a sec. Maybe if I can't tell if it's focused or not. Maybe if I just zoom in on my phone. There we go. @Crafty Lorraine 5109, I think that's what it says. Congratulations to you. You are the 2nd winner. You need to contact me via the Gmail down below for winners only, and we'll get the ball rolling. Okay, I'm gonna skip back out. Maybe it'll stay focused. All right, I'm gonna pick one more winner. All right, I have checked and you are a subscriber, so congratulations to Erica Carlson, I think, 7717. You are the third and final winner for today's giveaway drawing. You just need to contact me via the email down below, and also the first pinned comment. All right, I'm gonna scoot back out. So that's exciting. So congratulations to you 3 winners. And oh, my candle went out. Good grief. A couple things. I am working on the next album that I'm getting ready to start filming the prep video, what we're going to be using and all the things. And also I wanted to tell you, my husband and I have done something. We bought a house. We bought a house. Another house, and it's on a lake, and we are it's a big time fixer-upper, you know. It needs a lot of TLC, a lot of love, and my hands are destroyed. So if you if you happen to see how bad my hands look on occasion, just know that we are renovating a little house, and it needs a lot of love. So if my hands are all scratched up and broken, you know, I mean, I've got, oh, it doesn't even matter. But anyway, so we just started this about a week or so ago, the demo and all the things, and yeah. My hand and my body, my hands and my body are taking its taking its toll. The demo is taking its toll on my hands and my body. So I just wanted you guys to be aware that there's some major construction going on in my life, and it could affect what you see on screen. So yeah, but anyway, but it's exciting. We're excited. So there's one more thing. I have a coupon code. I have a coupon code for you guys, and it is MASHUP, M-A-S-H-U-P. It's good for 20% off almost everything in my Etsy shop, and there's a link down below. It's valid from the time this video goes public to April 13th at midnight, and you just need to enter this code into checkout when you go to checkout. You can use it as many times as you want. You can, as many times as you want throughout this time period, and it will take 20% off. If you have any issues, just let me know. But you shouldn't have that many issues. But anywho's, all right, so the next giveaway drawing is in May, the beginning of May. I'll have that information in the description box in the first pinned comment. And hopefully in the next coming couple days, you'll have another video on the next album that we're going to be making using the mashup. That is all I have for you guys today. Congratulations to the 3 winners, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. We'll be back together soon creating some beautiful projects. Thank you so much for joining me today, you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.